3.
Akbar Khan, this award is to say thank you to you for your 50 years of selfless service to the people of Trinidad and Tobago as a justice of the peace. Additionally, your commitment to culture over the years has brought about new things and new ways of dealing with people, and all artists in Trinidad and Tobago are happy that you have had the commitment that you have had. And around me, I see these beautiful lights. 14 years, Akbar, you've been doing this for the community and for the people of Trinidad and Tobago. So this is a very small token to say thank you, thank you, thank you.
Aaron, I want to thank you very much. You're great, and I have a lot of respect for you. For many years. As you realize, I walked for 6 miles in the Clark List to Seagulls.
Indeed.
About 6 years ago, in support of the work you do. God bless you once again.
Great.
Thank you.
Yes,
That's it?